So the cleaning process is over now, so we're ready to cook them up.
So describe the title of the process. Like, you're frying them. Does it have? You said Scotch bonnet?
No, escovitch.
Oh, escovitch.
Yeah,
sorry.
that's the method.
Is that the same one as we were doing before, where it's really, really fried hard?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's the same. It's the same process. So we're just gonna. This is a Jamaican spice company, Easy Spice, and it has no MSG.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you put that on the fish? You just put it on, or?
Pretty much in where we took out the guts here.
Mm-hmm.
So we put the spices in there, and then we make some slots on the side of the body. And that's how we do it. Basically just lightly sprinkle seasoning on the side.
One pack for all those.
Yeah, because it's just it's not an overkill. Like the fish, how fresh they are, and coming from the ocean, and the incorporation of the lime, that is like a part of it now.
So the lime at the soak is key, huh?
Yeah, the lime to clean it is key. It adds, because the fish itself, you could just like fry it up with just like different herbs, and it's good naturally. Coming fresh from the ocean, it's just, naturally. But what we're doing now is just adding, some Jamaican flavor.
So is that spice spicy, or?
No, it's just medium.
Just flavor.
Yeah.
Are you gonna add spice?
It all depends. You like spice?
Not too much, but a
Well,
bit.
there you go. Like, these are just gonna be perfect where kids can eat them also.
Yeah.
So it's not an overkill. It's just natural. Here you have it. We use.
Awesome. So you're gonna get a frying pan with grease, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Frying pan with grease going, and fry them up.